All right, welcome to January 2020. Yay, on Spray Paint Art Secrets. This month we've got some really cool stuff. We're getting into some water-based spray paint art, but the techniques are the same and you can use them with any kind of spray paints that you're using as long as they're good quality spray paints. If you don't know what that is, check out our free materials list, which you can get by going to Spray Paint Art Secrets and putting your name in the sign-up form, and you'll get it sent to your mailbox. We're going to play with some Chinese landscape techniques this month, including all kinds of different foliage techniques and making bamboo and making mountains. We're using something called the Italian landscape tool, which is that mysterious object that you see Italian spray paint art painters using that looks like kind of a circle, looks like something mysterious. I've been trying to figure it out for a while, and now we've got it, and you can use it to make all kinds of foliage, including pine trees. And this particular video is a video about how to practice pine trees using this Italian landscape tool. And we're going to really go into using it face down, using it on its side, using it to make particular kinds of textures, using it and then letting the paint dry and seeing what that does. And we're gonna have a lot of fun, and then we're gonna make this really quick little landscape. This is literally a 5-minute painting to show you how you can create kind of a photorealistic style, a little bit of that sense in this painting, using transparent layers of paint on a very particular kind of watercolor paper called Yupo, which I highly recommend that you experiment with if you're using water-based paints, especially so, because boy, it's got a beautiful gallery-worthy look to it, and it's perfect for spray paint art. And then we're going to do some classic spray paint art style. This is using solvent-based paints again to make some landscape stuff with trees and waterfalls. So if you're interested in landscape painting, you can use these techniques with whatever kind of painting you're doing. They're useful for many styles of painting, including acrylic, and you can use this as a base for your oil paints. And there's even some interesting textures that might be used to watercolor folks, especially now that we're using Yupo and water-based spray paints for many of these videos. So that's a really interesting bridge between those kinds of painting. And we're going to finish up with a beautiful galaxy painting, classic spray paint artifacts, and I walk you through it step by step so you can do it too. So go get your classes, go to spraypaintartsecrets.com, and there's a tab, Purchase Lessons. You can click on that and you'll see a whole bunch of really cool stuff of all types that you can explore and get your perfect lessons just for what you want to learn how to do. If you have any questions, my name is Elisa Amor, and my email is spraypaintartsecrets@gmail.com. And of course, if you want some free stuff, we've got some cool stuff on the YouTube channel. I've got a playlist of free stuff, and also if you sign up for the mailing list, you will get lots of free stuff in your email. So Happy New Year. Ciao.